Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're thinking about switching to Linux in 2026 but feel overwhelmed by all the different distros, this video is for you. I'm going to cut through the noise and give you the best Linux distributions for complete beginners right now. No complicated jargon and no vague "it depends" answers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to download. Before we get into the rankings, let's quickly talk about what actually makes a distro beginner friendly. The most important things are how familiar the desktop feels, especially if you're coming from Windows, how stable the system is, how easy it is to install software, how much help you can find online when something goes wrong, and whether it works well on normal hardware without a lot of tweaking. Those are the criteria I'm using for this list. Starting with the number one recommendation, Linux Mint. This is still my top pick for most beginners in 2026. The reason is simple. The Cinnamon desktop feels incredibly close to traditional Windows. You get a taskbar at the bottom, a start menu, and a system tray. So everything is right where you'd expect it. It's based on Ubuntu LTS, which makes it very stable. Media codecs come pre-installed. The software manager is straightforward, and it includes TimeShift for easy system backups. If you're switching from Windows and just want something that works without a steep learning curve, start with Linux Mint Cinnamon. In second place is Zorin OS. If you want something that looks more modern and polished right out of the box, this is an excellent choice. Zorin has a layout switcher that lets you make the desktop look like Windows 11, Windows 7, or even Mac OS. The overall design feels cleaner and more refined than Mint. A lot of people who try both end up preferring Zorin purely for the first impression and the polished experience. Third on the list is Ubuntu. It's still a fantastic option, especially if you care about finding answers online. Almost every Linux tutorial, forum post, and guide assumes you're using Ubuntu. The community is massive, and the LTS versions are rock solid. The default GNOME desktop is a bit different from Windows, so the learning curve is slightly higher than Mint or Zorin, but once you get used to it, it's a very capable system. In fourth place is Pop! OS. This one stands out if you have a newer laptop, especially one with an NVIDIA GPU. System 76, the company behind it, puts a lot of effort into hardware support. NVIDIA drivers install cleanly, and the system feels modern and responsive. It's also a strong choice if you plan on doing some light gaming or creative work. And finally, for older or low-spec hardware, MX Linux is an excellent pick. It's lightweight, stable, and still very beginner-friendly. The XFCE desktop is simple and fast, even on machines with limited RAM. Here's the quick decision guide. If you're coming from Windows and want the safest choice, go with Linux Mint. If you want the most polished and Windows-like experience, choose Zorin OS. If you want the most tutorials and community support, pick Ubuntu. If you have a modern laptop or NVIDIA graphics, go with Pop! OS. And if you're using an old or weak computer, try MX Linux or the XFCE version of Linux Mint. One quick warning before we wrap up. Avoid Arch-based distros like EndeavourOS, Manjaro, or CachyOS as your first Linux system. They are powerful, but they require more maintenance and troubleshooting. Save those for later once you're more comfortable. So that's my ranking for the best Linux distros for complete beginners in 2026. My personal recommendation for most people is still Linux Mint. It's simply the least frustrating way to start. If you found this helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments which distro you're planning to try. And if you want a full installation guide for any of these, just tell me and I'll make it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.